What adds light to our festival of light? It's the golden rays, warm breezes, and green landscapes that truly make us glow. This Diwali, Clarks Exotica celebrates nature's glow that lights us up from within.